Everyone's rolling bread after discovering this genius idea. Here I'm using a loaf of bread. I've stacked them on plastic wrap as shown. Next, just use a roller to flatten them like this. It'll look like this. Now let's get some milk and start moistening the bread. Once that's done, we'll start with the filling. I'm using dulce de leche here. After spreading the dulce de leche, I'll add some cinnamon powder. Then a bit of whipped cream. And I'll top it off with some roasted peanuts. Next, we'll start rolling it up like I'm showing you. It'll look like this. Now we just need to grab it. Let's move it to a board and chill for about 2 hours. Then remove it from the plastic wrap. I'll drizzle some melted chocolate on top. I'll finish with a sprinkle of chocolate chips. Now folks, just slice, enjoy, and our roulade is ready. Look how incredible it looks. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Take care everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching.